Hi everybody, hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, today video, oh my goodness, I'm going to be doing Debbie's hair. All right, we are doing natural hair today, just natural hair guys, as in no adding of expression, as in using expression to braid it. No, just only the top. That is where we are going to be using expression today. So right now I'm going to be parting the hair into 4 parts while I start the braiding, the weaving. Anyone? Okay, so you all know Debbie's TV. Okay, please guys, help me to support her, do what I can to support my baby girl. All right, so that is it guys. I will be starting right now. If you are learning or you want to be making your hair yourself, this channel is for you. I'm telling you the truth. This my YouTube channel is for you. If you want to learn how to make your children hair, your baby girl hair, oh my goodness, this channel is for you guys. You know what I mean. Okay, you have to start learning like Ceci Osas. Okay, start it with me. Okay, and trust me, you are going to learn it. Okay, you are going to get it one day. All right, if you don't get it today, don't worry yourself, continue trying your best. Okay, it's very important to do things for yourself. Okay, it's good to try things. It's good. I'm somebody who like trying something. Yeah, I like to try my best. If I can't do it, then I will know that, oh my goodness, this thing is not for me. This kind of job, this kind of work, this kind of learning, or anything at all, you will know it's not for me. Trust me. But if I really want to do it, and I know God want me to do it, I must surely, I must. That is me for you. I don't joke with anything. If I want to learn anything, I always put my mind there. So you have to do the same thing, yeah, as in letting people put hand in your baby's hair. Oh my goodness, I don't really like it. Okay, that is the reason why I decided to learn how to make my whole hair and make my baby girl hair. Okay, so I don't like people putting hand. Like we adults, there's no problem. There's no problem at all. As a little child, you don't know who that person, how that person is. I don't know how to put the word, so I don't say it's bad, I know, but for me, you need to learn how to braid your children hair. It's very important. So for me, I don't, ever since my daughter was born, nobody have ever braid their hair. Nobody. I've been the one doing it. Even when I don't know how to braid their hair, I continue doing it, tying it like that, So that is just it. Like me, the reason why I don't like people making my hair is that maybe if you do the hair for me, I don't like it. Trust me, I'm going to take it off. That is just it. I'm going to take it off. So for me not to make you feel bad, so I decided to learn how to braid my hair myself. Yeah, I decided to learn how to braid my hair myself. So that is it. There's only 2 people in my city here I can allow them to touch my hair. Yeah, because I trust them. I know if they make the hair for me, if I don't like it, I can remove it and they won't be angry with me at all. So you know what I mean. That is just it, guys. That is the reason why I don't like people making my hair for me. Even going to salon, oh my goodness, that is the worst part. I can't go to salon because sometimes when you go to salon, it's not what you go for you will come out with. Trust me. So I don't want to fight anybody. I don't want problem with anybody. So I do my thing myself. And the kind of hair I have, like my front hair, oh my goodness, giving people to do that kind of hair for you, oh my God. Even the person that know how to braid hair before, when you give that person my hair to braid, oh my goodness, that person will just be like as if she don't even know how to braid hair, because my front hair is going to confuse that person. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is it, guys. So that is the reason why I always like to braid my hair myself. I'm telling you, that is the reason why I always like braiding my hair myself, so I don't want problem with anybody braiding my hair, telling you, oh my goodness, braid it this way, try to pick this place, try to add this place. No, as if I'm controlling that person. So that is the reason why I just feel like braiding my hair my own self. If it's good, I take it like that. If it's not good, hey, trust me, it won't even take 30 seconds 30 minutes to take it off. That is me for you. Okay, so this is it. I'm about to finish it. I'm trying. Debbie's hair is my goodness, making Debbie's hair, you need to have strength, you need to gather strength, and you need to make sure you are not the type that gets angry so easily. Because with Debbie, she will just, oh no, this place is painful. This place, why do you do it like this? It's not even straight, it's not this. Do you know how to braid hair? She's always like that, complaining. Even when I want to use this scarf to tie this, say, won't you just blow dry it like that with her? You talk a lot. Yeah, you need to let me do what I want to do for you. That is it, guys. Oh my goodness. All right, let me quickly thank my old subscribers. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for always being there for me. I told you guys that I'm not using any expression on this hair, or just only the top. This is what I'm doing now. Okay, I don't want to leave the braid like that, so I just have to do one kind of up there to make it look more beautiful as a student. I know in this Europe, lots of women, they like putting all those kind of hair on their children hair, but for me, I don't really like it. I just like natural hair, just like my daughter to always carry a natural hair. It's very important. So starting putting on those kind of wave on boom, I don't really like it. I like braiding her hair, either with expression or just braid her hair like that. That is just it, guys. So right now I'm going to be putting some hair jewelries, to make the hair look cheesy chocolates, beautiful. I don't know how to put the words, just to make it look different. Okay, so let me quickly thank my subscribers. You guys are so amazing. Okay, I love you all so much. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Thank you for always coming back to support me. If you are new to my channel, guys, this place is the right place for you. Okay, try to give me your subscription. All right, guys, this is the hair. You see, it's very, very natural. Using a natural hair to braid this hair, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful, guys. I really enjoy doing this for myself. Okay, please try to do the same for yourself. Okay, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always being there for me. I love you all so much. You guys are so amazing. Bye, and see you on my next video. Just let go.